Okay. Let go. Let go.
I'm trying.
Look, look.
Cheese.
How about you? How about you do a selfie? Come sit here and do a selfie with.
Smile, Jameson.
Do you want one by yourself or with us? Go, go, go. Angelina.
With him by himself. Oh yeah.
I can't. He's.
How about you mine?
All right, go, go. Can you grab him? Let go.
Wait, one more, one more.
Hi.
All right, go. Let go.
Let's go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
What do they have in there?
Package.
Packaging the what? Cheddar.
Cheddar.
Cheese. Cheddar.
Cheese.
Okay, let's go to the next window.
Go next window.
Next window. This is where they started to cut the cheese. What color is the cheese? What color?
White.
It's not white. Over there. It's orange. Yellow.
Yellow.
Biting a big block of cheese.
Cheese.
You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
Each one.
You want that one?
That's one.
You want this one too?
Smile.
Grab that one.
Oh no.
No, no, no. You can have both. You can have both. Come on. No, no, you gotta.
There's only two they're giving out.
There's the garlic one.
Oh. Put it in your pocket.
You want me to open one right now? Here. You want me to open it for you?
Hold it.
Here.
Hold it.
Okay.
Let's go to merchandise.
Down, down, down. Fine cheese.
Look. Trucks.
Socks.
Jason, which one you like?
That's all.
This one?
That's all.
The cheese?
Yeah, cheese.
Hold my hand.
Hold mine hand. Cheese. Banana. That's one. Mama, hold it. Mama, hold it. And hold.
I'm going to put this back. This is a magnet.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it
Put it
back.
back. We don't need it.
Yeah.